Hey everyone, Amtrak on CSX Welfare now, and we got a eastbound freight close to like, you just hit the horn. It seems like we got an eastbound freight at 1:26 that's going slow due to it because it's trying to get past the train yard, and he's meeting CSX 782 that went by in the previous video. He's meeting that freight in the distance right now, still trying to enter the yard. Sounds like he has a K5 Nason K5HL on him. It sounds like. But here he comes. He's revving up. Seems to be a stack, or it seems like. Yeah, there he goes. Nice K5 Nathan K5HL on him with a friendly crew, and yep. And it looked like we had some kind of tank there. And one of the last a couple calls in the back there, it seemed like. Before the third to last call, before the last two container stacks in it. Was it